I'm Alan from class 9th, and today in the first project we are learning about Python programming, and in the coming days we will be learning about Arduino based programming and CSS, HTML, like web designing, etc. And thank you.
Like my friends, I'm also excited to explore robotics and AI in the coming days. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ramla Barros. I'm handling computer science at Floreat International Senior Secondary School. We introduced the CyberSquare project suite this year alongside a successful school level digital fest. And we are thrilled with the outcome, which exceeded our expectations. The kids are showing a very high level of interest in learning the technologies, and we are happy to contribute the knowledge to the students, which will definitely help them in their future.
Hi, my name is Vaishak. I'm handling a CS project suite in Floreat International Senior Secondary School. As ma'am mentioned before, like we introduced CS project suite this year, and the response from the students is especially from the lower sessions are really making us very happy, and it will definitely help them in their future to participate in different kinds of competitions, expos, exhibitions, in national and international level, which definitely help them there in the future. And like the parents, we are also dreaming about their bright future. Thank you.